Hi, and thanks for watching. This video is about Valentine's Day ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, go ahead, feel free to join the family. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell if you like your channel to be shouted out. As I mentioned in my last video, I will be choosing a video. The first 10 comments will have the shout out at the end of this video. Now, I don't always do special shout outs in every video, but I will be doing one in this video, and I will leave all the information in the description box, and I will leave information for the items I'm showing in this video in the description box as well. As you can tell, I've been paper crafting with these little roses, and I've been trying to get ideas on what I could put on my Etsy site, and I've come up with this shadow box. So I'll put the link for this in the description box. I'm really proud of it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, now it's time for me to introduce our special shout out. This young lady loves thrifting. She has an eBay shop. I'll leave it in the description box. Her name is Regina Michelle. If you've not yet checked out her channel, do that and make sure you let her know that sent you.